Hello, 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 hey, hi everyone. Yes, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm trying to do a 24-hour fast. And this 24-hour fast is not easy today. It's not going easy, but I'm trying to stick it in, trying to not give up. Last time I did about I only did it one time, and I did it like a 2.5 hour fast, so it was about 24, 48, 50 something hours that I did. Over 50 something hours. It's almost, honestly, 3 days. But I ate right after it would have been 3 days. So, but I felt great last time. I don't know how I'm going to feel this time, but I felt great last time. I bought some certain things from the store, some things for smoothies I want to make. I'm going to show you when I make my smoothies. Tuna, because I eat a lot of tuna cakes. And I made today, actually made tuna cakes and cabbage, but I'm not eating, so that was for my family, so they can have something to eat. But how do I feel? I'm tired. I'm tired. But it's funny because even though I'm tired, I found myself doing so much more today that I wouldn't normally have done. I don't know how that worked, but because I didn't eat, I was more busy, I accomplished more. I don't know how that worked, but that's how, that's what happened. I don't really promote fasting. I don't really believe in, promoting it and telling people to fast. I believe fast is supposed to be for certain types of people. A lot of times I see people fast and they like so thin. And I believe those type of people should be under doctor's care if they choose to fast. I think fasting should be for people that is obese or with a serious condition. If you have a very serious condition, I still think you should be under doctor's care. You don't do too many days. Like arthritis, blood pressure, high blood pressure, food addiction. Me personally, reason why I'm doing this fast because I have a food addiction. So with my food addiction or my sugar addiction, I believe that it'll take the taste out of my mouth and I won't be hungry and I can control what I eat. If I want to eat this, then that's what I will eat. And that's what I want to accomplish from this fast. I already prepared what I'm going to eat for the next week. And I can't have no sugar unless it's fruit. And that's going to be hard. That's another story. But that's going to be hard. So what I'm going to do today, I'm probably going to look at some videos of different ones of my weight loss gurus and see how y'all doing out there. And if you have enough courage to give a comment, I would love to hear the comment, even if you just say hi. All you have to do is say hi. So that's my goal. I want to really start having a kickstart of this weight loss. I feel like if I do this fast, it would kickstart me in the right direction. So that's what I really want. Also bought some lemon at the store because I like lemon in my water. I didn't drink lemon and water today, but I like lemon and water. As far as my brain, my mind, I feel all scribbled all over. My focus is, it's very hard to focus. It's even hard to speak. Not, in a clear manner because my brain is doing some weird stuff. So it's hard to get my words together and speaking, naturally, clearly. And I'm hoping that'll go away, all the fogness. And most people, they know what that is if they ever fasted or diet. it actually was successful. They know that fog brain, what a fog brain is. And so I'm working on that. I hope that helps me with that. I hope it helps me to lose my addiction for a minute at least or something, so I can figure out what to do next. I didn't go to the gym today because I'm fasting. I felt like there was no reason to go to the gym today. I felt like I didn't have to, but soon as I'm off my fast, I'm going straight to the gym, and I'm at 120 calories burned is what I'm doing right now. So that's when I go back, that's how much calories I have to burn on the treadmill. And I really can't wait to get back because I actually, for now, liked it. I like working out. I like working out. My legs, I still have a problem with arthritis, but the funny thing is when I get on that treadmill, I'm good. But I have to get more sneakers. I have like 3 pairs of sneakers, and none of them is good for exercising. So I'm gonna buy another pair. So I just want to say thanks to everyone, especially thank you to my new subscribers. I have 2 new subscribers, and I want to thank you. You put it in my box, so it's hard to reply. If you comment at the bottom, and I can reply to you. And I wanted to reply to you to tell you how thankful I am for joining the crew, and together we try to learn how to progress, how to move forward, with different things in our life. The channel consists of 2 things. One is to get my house in order or very organized, but because I am presently trying to move, most of my videos will be decluttering. And also is the weight loss channel. I want to get the motivation and the support that I need, and to learn how to stay focused as much as possible. And sometimes you get so caught up in other things, you forget that you're supposed to be on a weight loss journey, and all the weight gain, comes back. So I'm working on that. So we'll see. Tomorrow I will make another video because I'll let you know how much weight I lost and how I'm feeling and what's the update. So come back so you can know, okay? Bye.